Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to Elephanta Cave and I'm going with my friend and I'll take you along with me. So now again, right now I'm getting ready and I'll show you my outfit. I'm wearing this tank top with this blue denim jeans and I'll show you what I'm wearing. So I'm getting ready right now, so see you outside. Train is passing by. No, we are still waiting guys. The next train is for Thane and we are not going there, so we have to wait for next train, that is for CSM. She's taking the shot. This frame is nice now. Hello guys. So we are back with new camera.
Back with another vlog of
Another
Kashi
video.
and another vlog of mine. Let's get started guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome back to Kashi's channel.
Yes. So we are going towards Elephanta Cave today and we are here at Kharga station waiting for the train. And this is the train station. This is Kharga and we are going towards CSMT. From there we have to take bus for that system Mumbai.
Which bus? We have to take a bus and then we have to take a ferry.
The bus to where?
Bus to Gateway of
Gateway of
India.
India. Yeah, that was I forgot. Okay. Bus to Gateway of India. After that we have to take ferry to
Elephanta Caves.
Yeah.
And then what?
Then
We'll
we'll just
explore it. It's our first time to Elephanta Caves guys. And watching us.
Right.
It's weird.
It's fine, yeah. It's our vlog, so we can take it. That uncle was tall. Why? I will do that. He was just staring at us like that. Yeah, so they find us very unique or what? Out of the box.
I don't
Chalo.
want to say my reason.
Chalo, bye guys. See you in the next part.
Bye bye.
I'll take you along with us. Yeah. And I'll show you the views. Okay. Bye guys.
Be with us. Bye bye.
Bye. Sorry, we are here at Gateway of India. From here we have to take ferry. So we are here with So we are here in the ferry and going towards Elephanta Cave.
It's my first time on the ferry.
Same
First
here.
time. Second.
हाँ मेरा भी first time. हाँ second time है. I went to Goa ना. What a beautiful view with a beautiful people.
Beautiful view. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very happy, excited to go there.
What's your plan for today then?
Nothing, just going to roam around the Elephanta Cave and going to do a trekking 10 minutes. Then enjoying the view.
Yes, enjoy the view guys.
Look at it.
चलो आगे चलो।
This is Elephanta Cave, World Heritage Monument, and this is the entry gate for that. 그거 녹슨이랑 2%. 2% get Then of cave A, cave first, ये first cave का plan है and this is the cave. I think total कितना cave है? Sonam. Sonam.
Hello everyone.
How was your day?
It's been great
Till now? Yeah.
It's been great till now. Yeah, caves are nice. There are lots of monkeys. They are so entertaining. Kashi will capture everything and
Yes.
it will
I'll show you
guys.
everything, guys.
Yeah.
And we are here at the second cave, which is quite small but very peaceful, you know. Look at it. What is this?
This is the cave. The jump.
There's no start and end. Oh, it's so over. There's nothing. Let's go.
Just follow parts. Okay, here. Cave number 2 is just nothing.
Nothing. So we are done with cave 2, which was just a hollow. There was nothing to see. This is the third cave, na?
Okay. Inside
So-
there's something. Let's go inside, guys. We'll show you.
There's nothing there. I think this is like
These are
the
just
last
hollow
one
parts
only,
only.
yeah. But I think there is something to see. Let's go and see. Very, very, very hot, guys. This is her photos, guys. This is the fourth cave, guys.
असं याच्या काही ना काही तो आहेत ना आबा માટે
આ બાજુ જ અહીંયા કાઢો એ નતો કાઢે છે ને